EBUGGY. Drivers ready. Marshals ready. On the side of the road. The mic doesn't write it down. Watch the sound. Oh God. Sorry, you know what? I need to be in time. Alright, Roman. Work your way back up, dude. Watch you get the nitro. Take a breath. Work your way back up. You know how quick that thing is. Alright, everybody's going to go up. I'll start calling you out for lap number 2.
So we got Paul Rutledge, or no, Steve Flynn out front.
Alright, we got only 30 seconds in this one. We got 8 minutes left. It is Paul Rutledge, but he's getting chased down by the techno of Brian Bush. 3 is going to be Jason Manning. 4 is
that is Paul Rutledge.
6 is going to be Mike Malone.
Thought so. Computer was saying Steve Flynn. So Paul Rutledge out front, Brian Bush in the 2.
We put 4 mils in this thing, so you can round under the stall. Alright, so we got a lot of guys changing it up now. But your leader is Paul Rutledge. But Brian Bush is right there. He's like, you're trying to be all shoulder guard. Because I'm not getting your weight. You're too relaxed. Always so close you can't even see me in the mirror. So right now, as they work their way back to the front jump, 1 and 2, 3 is going to be Jason Manning and another show. 4 is going to be, we're going to hop on. 5 is another hop on. No, you can, 6 is going to be associated. Oh, it's going to be hop on. And 7 is going to be your one.
Brian Bush going to make the pass on Paul Rutledge, but then he's going to dump it. Rutledge is keeping it smooth. Paul Rutledge is keeping it nice and smooth. Ooh, but he's going to make a mistake.
Oh, Brian Bush rolled it over. That car starting to close up the gap on the track. Based on timeline, Paul Rutledge has a fast car. Well, Brian Bush has the most consistent car. That's a car to beat. Let's see, your leader is that all that orange and red, working way over the circle. That your leader, right wheel. Number 2 is the green and blue. Number 3 is the all white with a blue and orange stripe. Number 4 is the silver on the back, green up front, green wheel. Stop. Oh, running out of breath of it. We got 40 minutes down, 5 to go. Brian Bush is trying to get it up to Paul Rutledge. Paul Rutledge is starting. Oh, it takes the man. Decides to take out the lane. Down the line against it. That front goes to the 3. Don't get it back, Chase. Oh, watch out. Your leader is in a orange and red. Make a mistake. Here comes Brian Bush. We got a battle for the 1 spot right now. Holy big one little mistake. Brian Bush going to get him. Watch him out of the window. Back to the front. 1 and 2. Back up right there. Watch the thing come in the back. You're clear. Oh, man. Brian Bush is all over the back of Paul Rutledge. Paul Rutledge is orange and red. Watch out, head. Thanks for that. Oh, man.
Paul gonna get the bad end of that. That sucks.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry, Paul.
Oh.
You are so lucky, Brian. I have to wait for it. Oh, he's like that with that. I know he's gonna. Go, Brian, go. Go, Brian, go.
Did he hit him? I don't think he.
Your leader is the white and blue. You're number 2 in the orange. Got away, that's 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, and 4. See, that's the bottom. 1, 2, 3, buddy. Please don't get into that. Please don't get into that. Thank you, Steve. Thank you for staying on that. I bet you could. You're in there too hard. Oh, you're up with somebody wrong. So right now, it's going to go Brian Bush up front. He is working his way through the 7 seconds. Coming over on the 8 of that. Tony takes him in. Takes him right there. Saxon right there as well. The 4 driver is 70. That car. No, sorry, Paul Rutledge is 74. That car. What's going on now? Watch out, take a left, a barrel coming up on you. That one, you're clear, now barrel out with that behind you. Oh! So much full. Put that horn and ready, he's your 4 driver, when you're ready, your 4. Alright, so right now, your 1 driver, he's working his way back towards the center section. To his right arm, come on, Chase! Chase, obey you, it's no show! Push it, don't let it catch over you! Get home track! Hell, what's more right now? Brian Bush is in trouble! Right now we got 5:30 down, 2:30 left to go. It's Brian Bush in the techno. No show, Chase Manning. 3 is going to be Zach Croft. Zach is going to be in that silver with the yellow on the front. Number 4 is going to call early. 5 is going to be Cuba. 6 this time, so 7 Derek Terry, Daniel, Kendrick, Steve, Daniel, and Marcus. Oh, you're so lucky, Zach. Oh, how lucky is on the line. That was a lucky person. Literally laying on front wheels perfectly. Oh, he takes the lead. He's going to take the lead with 2 minutes remaining. Come on, Brian. Don't let this happen. Watch out there again. Oh, again, it's bad luck. That crossing look. That's a battle tag. Pushing. Pushing the envelope there, but you want to top 2, you got to push it. That's clean. Want to see clean, boys. You guys have a bunch of free trash cans. Stay out of that. As fast as you can. I know you're trying to take up the air center, but still. We got a battle for the 2 spot. Come on, Zach. Keep on the wheel. Push, Brian Bush, hard to kill. Got a minute 10 remaining. This battle for the 2 spot. It's working way down the wall. Brian Bush is calling straight so much for it.
We're chasing the Kyosho out front.
Right now, it's Chase so big. Up front. Brian Bush needs to push it as hard as he can. Trying to catch up and make it happen. Number 3 driver is Zach Croft. 4 driver is Paulie Rutledge. 5 is John Lewis. 7, Terry. 8, Kendrick. 9, Angel. And Ed Larson with 30 seconds remaining in this one. Brian, up in the next one. Right now, let's finish this one up good. Let's see. And Chase Open finally wins. And AMAIN is called Cody Bucky. He's tried so many times to coach so far, but don't think he's won one yet. Especially if Brian was coming back to the house today. We only got 5 seconds. This is going to be the last time. I don't think Zach's going to make the line. Zach is not going to make the line. You want to cross the line, that's your time. Go battle for the lead. Go to hold it back over right now. Green and blue. Oh no, what happened to Paulie? Is that going to give us a position? You're going, go on. Oh, he changed the main mistake. Brian was on 5. Brian was, oh. Stop me here, I don't know what to do. Oh, this is going to be close. I don't want to stand and catch in a line. It's good. Oh. I don't know how to call that. Oh. Damn that.